SheEnlightens. Today I am going to show you guys another ray of hope if you are still struggling to make your future bright to government competitive exams. MPSC, which is Maharashtra Public Service Commission, recently uploaded a form of Talati exam. If you are Maharashtrian or non-Maharashtrian, doesn't matter. Only thing matters that you are an Indian citizen whose age is between 18 to 35 years. Fine. So these are the qualifications which you have needed to fill the form of MPSC. So the education qualifications for Maharashtra Talati Bharti exam 2023. First is should be graduate of any recognized university. Second, must have knowledge of Marathi and Hindi language. Must have passed computer IT exam. Otherwise, it will be required to be obtained within 2 years from the date of appointment. Okay. And then fourth is if Marathi and Hindi subject is not included in secondary school examination, the selected candidates will be required to pass Marathi and Hindi language examination of Itadat Mandal. Okay. So if you are able to fulfill these qualifications, you can like a form भर सकते हो. Then let's move to how to apply for Maha Talati recruitment exam. So interested and eligible candidates can apply online through this website. I'll put this website in the below description. Earlier than the date 17 July 2023. Fine. And the application fees are for open category is 1000 and for reserved category, which is backward class and economically weaker classes, are 900. Please look out for important dates, which are the starting date of online application is 26 June and the last date of application, which is 17 June. The Talati exam will be conducted on 17th August 2023 to 12th September 2023 and it will be computer based exam. We already covered the age limit, which is 18 to 38, and the job location will be Maharashtra only because obviously it is conducted by MPSC, Maharashtra government. And yeah, one more thing I want to add here, that please watch this video till the end because at the end I have one surprise for you guys regarding this exam. मैं अभी नहीं बताने वाली. You guys have to find out that कि practice papers है या something else. Let's continue this topic, which is Talati salary. Fine. So it will be 5,200 to 20,200 with a grade pay of 2,400. The monthly package for the Talati post in Maharashtra starts at approximately 40,000 as gross salary. The pay level matrix will be 25,500 to 81,100 for level 4. So if you guys want to know what is level 1 and level 4, so I'll make another video for this. Please check it out. Now let's move to vacancies. Okay, so first division we have, which has more vacancies, is 985 to Nashik division, and then Chhatrapati Sambhajinagar, which was earlier Aurangabad, and then Pune division, which has 887 vacancies. The total vacancies here are 4,644 vacancies, and we can see the lowest number is assigned to Amravati division with 288 vacancies, and here are too many divisions where you can get employed to and areas in between, and also we have so many number of vacancies and less number of competition. Alright, now let's move forward. This is the weightage for each subject. Overall there are 200 marks without negative marking. This paper does not have negative marking. Remember, here you can see Marathi is must. You must read and write Marathi. Fine. Marathi language, Marathi Bhasha, 25 questions, 50 marks, means 2 marks each question. Here is also same English language, Ingreji Bhasha, 25 questions, 50 marks. General knowledge, 25 questions, 50 marks. Arithmetic, mathematics, Ankaganit, reasoning and general intelligence, same 25 questions and 50 marks. Total there will be 100 questions and 200 marks. Alright, now let's move on to syllabus. So this is basically a subject wise syllabus. Here you can see Marathi syllabus and here you can see English syllabus. Here in both papers you only have to focus on grammar. Example C. समानार्थी शब्द, विरुद्धार्थी शब्द, कार प्रकार, vocabulary, proverbs, tense, everything you can see covers under grammar. Going forward, here you can see general knowledge and mathematics. So I actually research one word at a time because no offense, I am Marathi but I was in a convent school म्हणून मला मराठी थोडं कठीण होतं हे ट्रान्सलेट करायला कारण सब्जेक्ट वाईज सम वर्ड्स वेर डिफिकल्ट टू अंडरस्टँड बट आय लाईक tried my best of my abilities to provide you translation. Here you can see I provided you translation. So if you are guys facing difficulties, please go through this. In my opinion, MPSC's maths is all about algebra. See example numeral operations, algebra, equations, factors, fractions, everything comes under algebra. Same here, if you are an aspirant of another competitive exams, you can easily clear it because see history of Maharashtra in India, here you have to focus on Maharashtra more. Then Panchayat Raj and Constitution, I think this must be clear from your side. If you are an aspirant, then Indian culture, it comes under art and culture, and then physics, then chemistry, bio. These things you have to like focus more on. After that, the work of social reforms in Maharashtra and information of neighboring countries of India, which is world history, or you can say IR. अब syllabus का तो हो गया. Now you guys will say कि we are only lacking in what to choose as our resource. So let's move on to resources, which books you have to refer. Sorry, here is another thing which is general intelligence. Here is also I gave you the translated words which are relation, number, alphabet, shapes. So this paper is basically like CSAT. See, number series and alphabets are very easy because sometimes you have to solve it from backwards. So we'll talk about that later. Key relationships of numbers, alphabets, shapes, deductive reasoning, ये सब क्या होता है? So for example, mirror images is something that they can ask how many vowels or how many consonants look exactly same as their mirror image or their reflection. So basically this whole topic is going to be covered from the CSAT one. Alright. So I researched that these books are important as per MPSC perspective, but in my opinion जर तुमच्याकडे जास्त टाइम नसेल और तुम्ही आता प्रिपरेशन चालू केलं then please go through this important books which I highlighted here. जे मी बोल्ड केले. Beside this, if तुम्हाला वाटलं अजून रिसोर्सेस बघावेत then it's totally your call. You must have to read these books at least once. And I always say that CA is very important. Current affairs is very important. If you want specific for MPSC concentrated paper, then go for Lokmat or Maharashtra Time. Otherwise, if you are stick with the Hindu, stick to that. That's also fine. Just try to cover Maharashtra centric news or content more than usual. Because see, as compared to UPSC, MPSC topics are asked related only to India and Maharashtra state more oftenly than worldwide. ठीक है? So focus on this thing, okay? And please try to make notes from this bold केलेले books. As I told you that these are very important even if you have less time. So last but not least, things which I said in the beginning of this video, to make easy for you, I put the links and this PDFs in the below description. Mark my words, whichever exam you are preparing for, practicing previous year questions and mock test alone can make you feel secure than any other book. ये बहुत important है. This is very important. Don't miss on this. I request. If you are a true aspirant and want to succeed, then you won't compromise on this ever. Alright. So I put in the description Maharashtra Revenue Forest Department Talati exam syllabus PDF, then the previous year question papers and practice papers and also mock test. And along with this I also put the notification link and also the application form link to make easy for you guys. Okay, so I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comments below. Until next time, keep working hard and stay focused on your goals, and I'll see you in the next video. All the best. Thank you.